how the Isoptera influence our lives. When you see a bunch of flying ants gathering around streetlights at night, they are usually not ants at all. They are termites, what we call Isoptera. One of the easiest ways to recognize them is by their wings. Termites have 4 wings that's with the same size. That's actually where the name Isoptera comes from. It means equal wings. Their bodies are soft and pale with a thick waist, not that skinny ant wings. And their antennae are straight and beaded, instead of bent like an ant's. Termites feed on cellulose, which is found in wood, paper, and plant material, but they cannot digest it by themselves. They rely on tiny microorganisms that's living in their gut to break it down. And that's why termites can damage houses, furniture, and books. They are literally eating the wood. Termites also live in highly organized societies. There is a queen and king that reproduce, workers that build and gathering food, soldiers that defend the colony, and the winged ones, the ones we see flying, whose jobs is start a new colonies. These flying termites are what people often call flying ants. They show positive photosynthesis, meaning they are attracted to light. So, on warm, humid nights, they gather under lamps, dropping their wings, pairing up, and look for prey to build a new nest.
Today I will talk about the mating flight of Isoptera, also known as termites. There is a special event in their life cycle and is important for their reproduction and colony expansion. The mating flight refers to the time when winged reproductive termites, called adults, leave their original colony to start new ones. The purpose of the mating flight is reproduction and colony expansion. By flying out and mating with individuals from different colonies, termites can increase genetic diversity, which helps their species survive better. This event only happens under specific environmental conditions. Most termite species begin their flight after rainfall when the air is warm and humid. This condition helps prevent the delicate wing adults from being dried out or being blown away by strong wind. Often it takes place during the early evening or after a light rain in spring or summer. During the mating flight, thousands of adults rise into the air. Males and females pair up mid-air or after landing. Once they find a partner, they share their wing, which is a sign they are ready to establish a new colony. The pair, now called the king and queen, search for a suitable nesting seed in the soil or wood and begin reproducing.
Let's talk about the influence that the Isoptera brings to the environment. First, they are good natural recyclers. In natural environments, they are master decomposers, essential for breaking down a lot of dead wood and cellulose. This critical process unlocks nitrogen, phosphorus, and other valuable nutrients, returning them to the earth to sustain the entire forest ecosystem. Second, they are the food source of anteaters, adverts, and pangolins. What's more, when they nest their home, they aerate the soil simultaneously. This behavior enhances the penetration of water and nutrients, ultimately improving soil fertility. However, Isoptera also has some disadvantages for our lives. On the one hand, they tend to train through woods, furniture, and books, causing lots of damages to our constructions and even historical buildings. Once the condition happens, humans have to spend a huge amount of money to repair the construction. On the other hand, Isoptera can secrete some chemical substance such as methane and formic acid. This substance can irritate the eyes and respiratory system, which may cause allergies or other health problems. How can we prevent the shortcoming of Isoptera? We can maintain our home in a dry and well-ventilated environment because Isoptera prefers to reproduce in a moist environment. Moreover, it is a good way to build construction with preserved wood and concrete. We can apply chemical substances that are able to chase Isoptera away as well.